Hi guys, Ronnie here in the house. I'll explain why I'm not in the shop in a minute, but first, woodworking. Why should you learn woodworking or how to become a woodworker? Or any other skill for that matter, but let's talk about woodworking. So on my channel, I have videos on how to build furniture. I've got videos on how to stage it to get great pictures. Got a video on how to sell it on Facebook Marketplace. A video on how to deal with customers on Facebook Marketplace, on what not to do. I've got some motivational videos to get you going. I've got all kinds of videos to set you up, and I think I'm to the point now to where I've set you up, if you take action, to be able to build and either sell to make a profit, or if you want to keep it in your house, like I did this console table, built for my wife. I think I've got you to the point where you can do that. Now, why should you do that? Well, think about it. If you want to sell it and make a profit, you could make that extra truck payment, house payment. You could take your loved one away for a nice special weekend vacation, go out to eat more, support your local diners. What else? All kinds of things. One in particular that just came up with me is in the garage. I'm going to take you out there and show you why I am thankful. I'm to the point now where I don't have to worry about what just came up. I know woodworking, so I can help cover that. And look, I've only been doing this a few years. I just turned 60. You younger guys, I just do it. You need to take action. It's not that hard. Look at this old man did it. You can do it. So let's head out to the garage, show you what I got going. Before we do that, I want to also tell you about I don't know if you guys ever watched the series MASH. I've been watching it since I was a kid, and there's this woodworking scene in one of the episodes that just cracks me up every time I see it. So I posted on a couple woodworking forums about it, and some guys just are laughing remembering it. So I'm going to run that by you out in the garage too. But let's get out to the garage now, show you what came up recently. All right, guys, you're looking at my 1992 full-size Ford Bronco, Eddie Bauer edition, four-wheel drive with a 351 engine. It's in my garage. I had to move a lot of my stuff out of the way, really putting a crimp on my woodworking space, but had to bring it into the garage. It's running fine engine-wise, but had a leak. It was leaking. It was sitting out in the rain, and the carpet got all soaked. So I'm in the process of tearing out all of the carpet. Yeah, real fun job. Got the carpet coming out. I'm going to replace all the window seals and the door seals. I'm going to replace the window seal on the topper. I've had the windshield checked, and it's not leaking, so that's a good benefit. But with all the seals and different parts and things, tools I've ordered, you know, that can add up pretty quickly. But I'm in the position where I have built up a nest egg from my woodworking profits, selling my furniture. So like a little emergency fund type thing set aside, and this is an emergency, so it's going to cover it. As far as doing the work, I'm jumping on YouTube. I love YouTube. I'm going to learn how to do the things I don't know how to do, and if they run across something that I can't learn, then I'll hire somebody to do it. But that's the beauty of YouTube. Hopefully that's why you're watching this video now, is you want to learn how to do the woodworking thing. So here's the benefit of it. Concrete benefit of it right here is from the sales that I've made, I put some money aside, and that's going to cover all the parts and tools for getting this taken care of. It's not going to take anything out of our normal budget. So that's one great benefit right there. Hopefully this will be more motivation for you to get into woodworking and get yourself going on that. Now, let me get to the scene in the MASH episode that I was talking about earlier. Okay guys, for that woodworking scene in the MASH episode, it's Frank Burns and Margaret Houlihan. They go to one of the locals. They've heard he's done woodworking, and they ask him about it, and he's going to show them some of his work. So he holds up some of his work. And he says, used to be round. And then Frank goes, looks like a 2x4. And he says, thank you. All proud. It's just always cracked me up. Make a comment below if you've seen that particular scene in the MASH episode. All right, guys, you need to take action. I've showed you a concrete example why. I have plenty of videos to show you how. It's up to you to take action. I can't make you take action. I'll catch you on the next video. I appreciate you watching.